Which country are you from?
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua. That sounds
Nicaragua.
good. That sounds good. Nicaragua country's people. That sounds good. But to be honest, I never heard a country by the name of Nicaragua. So may I know, please, which continent are you from? Like America or like Middle East or something like that?
Central.
Central
Central
America.
America.
Wow.
Central America.
Wow, that sounds good. So
Yes.
have you been United States? Have you ever been there?
No, I never. I never. Never.
So how long distance between your country and States of America?
Oh my goodness. I couldn't give you these informations because it's so far from the country that I live in right now between Nicaragua and the United States of America. So there are miles, could be miles, because you have to take a flight in order to get there. And this flight takes almost 2 days to arrive to the United States of America. Just imagine how far it is. Okay.
Okay, so it's a long distance. So okay, bro. So what do you do for living?
Yes, I am an English teacher.
Wow, that sounds great. So nowadays I'm also wanna be an English teacher because when I teach English language to other people, probably I'm going to learn so many different kind of new things because through that process I may able to push myself into the next level, right?
Yes.
So how
Are
do
you
you
an
think
English
about
teacher
as
too?
an English teacher? Is it a good profession or something like that? What do you think about your opinion?
Okay. Okay. I suppose you are an English teacher because you speak so good English.
Yes, I appreciate it because nowadays I am trying to be English teacher, so I should have good fluency in English language, and I should know how to correctly use vocabulary, sentences, and grammars as well. I should have good pronunciation as well because as an English teacher, I should have all of those different kind of things. But at the initial stages, I don't want to be like a perfect English speakers or something like that. I will get perfection over time, right? But at the initial stage, if I want to do that, probably these things will make me so
Okay.
disappointed.
Yes, I am a little confused, but I'm gonna ask you something to you. And what do you do for a living?
I am a registered nurse in Bangladesh, but as a nurse, I found something bad in my country because most of the people they don't know what is nurse is, and so many people think as a male how they could be a nurse because nurse would be a female person always. So people continuously disrespect me, and so that's why I want to change my like profession or something like that. So that's why I want to be an English teacher. Yeah, that's it. As I know English language very well.
Oh my goodness. Are you studying to be Yes, are you studying for becoming an English teacher?
Yes, I want to become an English teacher, but currently I am a registered nurse. I am working at a hospital, but I don't like my job.
Okay, it makes sense because you're in a good level of English. So you have to forward and don't stop because
Yes,
you
so
speak so
can
good.
you suggest me
Okay?
please that how could I be a great English teacher as like you or as like others people who teach English language very well? Do you have any kind of suggestions for that? That
Yeah.
what kind of strategy should I need to follow to be an English teacher?
Yes. Do you want to listen to recommendations from me or tell about the experience that I have been experiencing in this field?
Yes, I wanna get your experience that when you first started teaching professions and how many students do you have currently? Do you teach online or offline or something like that? I wanna get those kind of things and where I should start, right? Like
Okay.
grammar, tenses, pronunciations, or if my students want to learn some like how can I speak fluently and within a short period of time. So what would be my solutions for my students or something like that? And what would be the most effective
Oh
for
my
them?
goodness.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know what happened, but I never get this kind of questions because it's impossible to answer. But I'm gonna to be briefly in order to give you the information that you're asking for. But let me on it that it is not easy, but it's depend the country you are working for. Because I don't know what is your country or where you're from actually,
I'm
but I
from
think
Bangladesh.
Nicaragua is
You
so
should know
different
it
because
because we are
the
having a conversation. So you should know that I am from Bangladesh and it's a not English speaking country. More than 95% people cannot speak English language in my country. It's a main problem. So as an English teacher, there is a great opportunity to teach English language to other people because here the people surrounding myself they couldn't speak English language, and the people who can speak English language, other people respect them a lot because as a person, if you able to speak in English language, other people are going to respect you a lot because they thought if a person can speak English, he is an intelligent guy. Because as we are from non-native English speaking country, so instead of that, if a person can speak English language, this is a great achievement, right? So I have a great opportunity because I
yes,
have been learning English languages for a long days and I got a little experience about it. And I was literally become consistent to learn English language because I found something helpful and I found something pleasant, on it. I found some joy on it,
yes,
learning English language. So, and I didn't actually give up to learn that language, and consistently I'm still learning. And nowadays, I took a decision that I should be an English teacher.
yes. Yes, yes, I know. You should be a good English teacher because you are a